Today is Disneyland Theme Park Day. So, nasakay pa tayo ng train papuntang Disneyland. It's already 9:25. Sana hindi mahaba ang pila. Because there, may pila na agad. And bili tayo for snacks later. Okay, we arrived now here at Disneyland. It's 10:10 and maraming tao ba? Tignan natin yung pila. Pwede na mag-entrance dapat. And yan, yung crowd. So, hindi sila nagmamadali sa pila. Baka pagpasok sa loob, magmamadali na. Let's go. Good morning. We check out early today kasi lipat na tayo to Hollywood Hotel. So ito, nabula namin from Tung Chung to Sunny Bay Station, Sunny Bay to Disneyland Resort. Tapos, ayun, dito na yung may free shuttle na. Ito na yun, nabul namin. Makasakay na agad. And heading there. So, since it's too early pa, right now it's about parang mag-10 pa lang. Baggage drop-off muna. Doon sa harap lang yan. Pagbaba ng bus, nasa entrance lang yun. And then, iwan mo lang doon. Tapos, check-in na muna kami para mamaya. Giget na lang natin yung key. And then, para mas mabilis na ang processing. So, ito, checking the store inside Hollywood Hotel. Look, super cute. This is 800 ml. Monsters Inc. Corporation. Ayan. Buzz Lightyear is there also. Okay, so, ngayon, it's the day 2 of our Disneyland theme park and bakit namin na-avail to kasi ang discounted siya. 100 HKD lang for if you're going to purchase yung second day. Kaya, kinuha na namin. So, parang, I'm not sure if it is 20th anniversary na promo lang nila yun. So, kung pupunta kayo, ngayon na kayo pumunta.
On a day very much like today, Anna saved her sister with an Let's just call it.
My dream of relaxing in the summer sun. Make it pink. No, pink.
after the Momentos, here we are checking in. Finally, first time makapasok dito sa room. So cute. Hollywood. Hollywood. Yung view sa labas ay hindi ko makita, madilim. Ayan, check natin toilet. Not bad. Nice. Oh, ganda oh. Okay, may bathtub pa siya. Here. Morning, and today is City Gate Outlet Day. Check tayo ng mga stores doon. And we left the Hollywood Hotel 10:30 ngayon. So, according sa website, 10 a.m. bukas ni outlet. So, kung gusto nyo mauna, agahan nyo pumunta doon. So, ngayon, pabalik tayo sa Disneyland Resort. Disneyland Park. Nandun yung sakay ulit tayo ng train to Tungchung. Hello. We're currently in Tai O. So this is 1 hour bus ride from dun sa Tongchong. And here, so another side of Hong Kong na hindi natin laging nakikita. So this place, famous daw for beaches. This place, bintahan ng like yung shrimp. And it's probably kung saan sila nagda-dry ng shrimp. Here's the Tayo Heritage Hotel. And yan, kitang-kita mo kung ano nasa loob. Hey, good morning. This is our last day here in Hong Kong Disneyland and also here in Hong Kong. So later, ang flight natin is 10 p.m. So ngayon, bago tayo mag-check out, check lang namin kung ano activities meron dito sa Hollywood Hotel to maximize our stay. Tara, let's ask. Here we are in Archibase yan, making button case. So, 9:30 ang start nito. So, here, makikita mo may schedule of activities sila dito. Makikita mo, pwedeng gawin.
What I'm not making.
We on time after waiting for a few hours. It's boarding time and mamaya uwi na tayo to Philippines. Thank you for joining me in this video. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. Like the video kung natuwa ka dyan and comment kung saan ba yung suggestion mo na masarap kainan or maybe kung may gusto kong i-try namin so that we can try next time. Hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye!